What is the psychology behind compliance techniques? Have you ever wondered why we sometimes say yes to requests we initially want to decline? The psychology behind compliance techniques reveals fascinating aspects of human behavior. Compliance techniques are methods used to influence people to change their behavior in response to a request. This can happen either directly or indirectly. At its core, compliance is a form of social influence where someone agrees to a request, often due to social pressure or a desire to fit in. One key idea in compliance psychology is the need for consistency. People generally want to see themselves as reliable and helpful. When someone agrees to a small request, they are more likely to say yes to a larger related request later. This is known as the foot-in-the-door technique. For example, if a friend asks you to help with a small task, you may feel more inclined to help with a bigger one later. This happens because you want to maintain that helpful image of yourself. Another factor influencing compliance is the desire for social approval. Many individuals comply with requests because they want to be liked or accepted by others. The fear of rejection can be a powerful motivator. Additionally, people often follow requests from those they perceive as authority figures or experts. If someone believes that the requester has legitimate power or knowledge, they are more likely to comply. From an anthropological viewpoint, compliance is not just an individual process. It is also shaped by social and cultural contexts. Compliance reflects how people conform to social rules and norms within their communities. Anthropologists study this behavior to understand how it helps maintain social order and relationships. For example, in family systems, younger members often comply with the wishes of elders. This dynamic illustrates how compliance is embedded in our social fabric. Culture plays a significant role in shaping compliance. Shared values and practices influence when and how people comply with requests. What works in one cultural setting may not be effective in another. This means that compliance is not merely about obedience. It is also about navigating social relationships and cultural expectations. Understanding compliance techniques has practical applications in various fields. In marketing, businesses use these psychological principles to persuade customers to buy products. In workplaces, compliance programs aim to align employee behavior with company policies. Recognizing the cultural context is essential, as different groups may respond differently to the same techniques. In essence, the psychology behind compliance techniques involves social influence, the desire for consistency, and the impact of authority. Anthropology situates compliance within broader cultural and social systems, highlighting how human behavior and social relations are interconnected. By understanding these dynamics, we can better navigate our interactions and the requests we encounter in daily life.